Welcome to my channel, Everyday English Hub. Hello, my amazing learners. I am Zoya, and before we start today's lesson, please subscribe to my channel and like this video to support our learning journey. Speaking English confidently can change your life, boost your career, and open doors to new friendships. Many learners struggle because they fear mistakes or judgment. But the truth is, confidence grows with practice, not perfection. Today, I will share 5 practical tips to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Each tip is easy to apply daily. Remember, learning English is a journey, not a race. Stay patient and keep practicing. Let's start this exciting journey together. Paragraph 2. Tip 1. Speak every day. The first tip is to speak English every day, even if it's just a few sentences. Speaking daily builds muscle memory in your brain and mouth. Start with simple phrases, greetings, or small conversations. Don't worry about mistakes. Mistakes are natural and help you improve. Talk to yourself in English when alone. Describe what you see, think, or feel. Use apps, friends, or online communities to practice. The key is consistency, not perfection. Daily speaking develops confidence faster than studying grammar alone. Remember, action beats theory. Paragraph 3. Tip 2. Think in English. Our second tip is to think in English instead of translating from your native language. When you translate, your brain slows down and makes you nervous. Try to form sentences directly in English in your mind. Label objects around you in English. Plan your day or conversations mentally in English. This technique strengthens your fluency naturally. It also reduces hesitation during real conversations. At first, it may feel strange, but over time it becomes automatic. Practice this during your free moments. Your brain will adapt quickly. Thinking in English equals speaking confidently. Paragraph 4. Tip 3. Listen actively. Tip number 3 is to listen actively to native speakers. Watch movies, listen to podcasts, or follow English news. Focus on pronunciation, tone, and rhythm. Repeat what you hear, mimicking the speaker's voice. Active listening improves your vocabulary and understanding of natural sentence patterns. It also builds confidence to speak like native speakers. Don't just hear words. Understand meaning and usage. Practice shadowing techniques for more improvement. Listening sharpens your speaking skills more than memorizing rules. Make listening a daily habit. Paragraph 5. Tip 4. Record yourself. The fourth tip is to record your voice while speaking English. Listening to yourself helps you notice mistakes and improve pronunciation. Start with short sentences and gradually increase complexity. Compare your recordings with native speakers. Celebrate improvements over time. It boosts confidence. You can also share recordings with friends or teachers for feedback. Recording reduces fear of speaking in public. It's a private, safe method to practice. Overcoming self-criticism is key. Your voice is your tool, and confidence grows when you use it. Paragraph 6. Tip 5. Learn useful phrases. Tip number 5 is to learn and use useful phrases instead of only words. Phrases like, "How are you?" or "Could you please explain?" help you sound natural. Phrases provide structure and reduce hesitation. Learn phrases for different situations, travel, work, or social events. Use them daily in conversations. This approach builds confidence faster than memorizing isolated words. Knowing what to say in context is empowering. Start with 5 to 10 phrases per week. Repeat them until they feel natural. Eventually, you will speak English fluidly in real-life situations. Paragraph 7. Tip 1. Practice. Let's practice speaking daily. Today, try describing your breakfast in English. I ate toast and drank tea this morning. Speak aloud slowly. Don't pause to translate. Make small variations. I also had an apple. Repeat this daily for 1 week. Your fluency will naturally increase. Remember, mistakes are signs of learning. Even if it feels awkward, keep speaking. Confidence grows when you act. Each small practice session counts. Keep a journal in English for extra reinforcement. Paragraph 8. Tip 2. Practice for thinking in English. Try narrating your day mentally. I am going to the market. I need to buy vegetables. Visualize objects and actions in English. Switch your inner dialogue from your native language. Over time, forming sentences will become automatic. This reduces hesitation in conversations. Start with 5 sentences a day. Gradually increase complexity. Include emotions. I feel happy because I met my friend. Thinking in English makes speaking effortless. Make it a daily habit. Paragraph 9. Tip 3. Practice. Active listening practice can be fun. Watch a short English video or listen to a podcast segment. Pause and repeat phrases aloud. Imitate pronunciation, stress, and tone. Try to understand meaning without subtitles. Repeat until comfortable. Take notes of new words or expressions. Use them in sentences. Listening and repeating builds natural speaking rhythm. Gradually increase length of videos. Daily listening trains your ear and tongue simultaneously. Your confidence will soar. Paragraph 10. Tip 4. Practice. For recording yourself, use your phone or computer. Record a 1-minute story about your day. Listen carefully to pronunciation and grammar. Note improvements and points to work on. Record daily to track progress. Share with a friend or teacher for feedback. Celebrate small achievements. Your speaking will feel stronger and more natural. Listening to your voice reduces self-doubt. Over time, recordings become a confidence booster. This is a simple, powerful habit. Paragraph 11. Tip 5. Practice. Using phrases is easier than creating sentences from scratch. Pick 5 phrases today. Can you help me? I don't understand. What do you think? Practice using them in context. Speak them aloud multiple times. Integrate them in conversations with friends or online. Repetition ensures they become automatic. Gradually add more phrases weekly. Using phrases builds confidence and fluency. Avoid overthinking grammar at first. Real conversations teach faster than books. Your speech will sound natural and confident. Paragraph 12. Overcoming fear. Fear of speaking is normal, but you can overcome it. Start small. Speak to yourself or close friends. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate every attempt. Mistakes are learning opportunities. Confidence grows with experience, not theory. Surround yourself with supportive people or communities. Positive feedback accelerates growth. Visualize yourself speaking fluently. Take deep breaths before speaking. Gradually, public speaking will feel natural and easy. Paragraph 13. Vocabulary and expression. Expanding vocabulary boosts confidence. Learn words in context using sentences. Avoid memorizing random words. They are hard to use naturally. Use new words in daily conversations. Write short sentences with them. Pair words with actions or images. Review vocabulary weekly. Speaking with richer words feels powerful. Confidence grows when you can express ideas clearly. Practice expressive sentences daily. Your English will become lively and engaging. Paragraph 14. Building a routine. Create a daily English routine combining speaking, thinking, listening, recording, and phrases. 15 to 30 minutes daily is enough to see progress. Start easy. Gradually increase intensity. Track your improvements weekly. Adjust habits to your goals. Mix activities to stay motivated. Consistency is the key. Small daily efforts beat occasional long sessions. Celebrate milestones. Fluency is a journey. Confidence grows faster with structured practice. Commit to your routine and enjoy learning. Many English learners believe that fluency is about perfect grammar, but the truth is different. Confidence in speaking comes more from clarity, tone, and mindset than from remembering every grammar rule. If you focus too much on rules, you might become shy and hesitate. Instead, learn how to communicate meaning first. Once your message is clear, grammar and accuracy will naturally improve with time. Another powerful strategy is role-playing real situations. Imagine you are at an airport, in a restaurant, or at a job interview. Speak the sentences you would need. This practical rehearsal prepares your brain for real-life conversations. For example, if you practice ordering food daily, "Excuse me, can I have a coffee, please?" You will never freeze when the real moment comes. Practicing context-based conversations is far more effective than just memorizing random vocabulary. A hidden tip is reading aloud. Take a book, article, or news story and read it with expression. Reading aloud trains your mouth muscles, pronunciation, and rhythm. It also increases vocabulary. Choose materials that interest you so practice feels enjoyable. Even 10 minutes daily will improve your fluency significantly. Finally, combine all strategies into a personal action plan. Example: morning, 10 minutes thinking in English. Afternoon, 15 minutes listening and shadowing. Evening, 5 minutes recording yourself. Weekly, join one speaking club. Paragraph 15. Conclusion and motivation. Remember, speaking English confidently is possible for everyone. Practice daily, think in English, listen actively, record yourself, and use useful phrases. Mistakes are signs of progress, not failure. Confidence grows with action and consistency. Celebrate small wins and track improvements. Visualize your success in real conversations. Share your English journey with friends or online communities. Stay patient and persistent. Keep learning, keep speaking, and your fluency will shine. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.